Hello friends, welcome back. I am Mayuri from VTech Academy, and in this video we are going to discuss about translation of axis. So the transformation obtained by shifting the origin to a given different point in the plane without changing the directions of the coordinate axis is called translation of axis. And now let us discuss about the changes in the coordinates made by translation. So for this, we need to consider a coordinate plane, and now here there is a point P with the coordinates x, y, and now suppose the origin O is shifted to O dash, which is this one. By translation of axis without changing the directions, its coordinates will be h, k. Then here we get new axis, which is x dash, and here we get y dash. And the coordinates of point P in the new axis will be P, x dash, y dash. So according to the coordinate, the length of this axis will be x dash, and here we get y dash. And similarly, in the original axis, according to the coordinates, we get this length as y, and here we get x. And then according to the new origin, which is O dash, this length will be equal to h, whereas this length will be k. And now let us give name to the point of intersection, which is M, and here we get N, and here L. So now let me repeat. Here we have OX ray and OY ray as original axis, whereas when origin is shifted, we get the axis as O dash x dash and O dash y dash, which are nothing but new axis. Remember that the point P with the coordinates x, y are in the original axis. So now let us find the coordinates of point P in new axis, which is O dash x dash and O dash y dash. So for that, we need to consider O dash L, which is equal to k, and OL is equal to h. So the value of x according to original axis will be ON. So ON is equal to OL plus LN. So from the diagram, the value of OL, which is h, plus of the value of LN, which is x dash. And similarly, the coordinate of y will be equal to Pn, and according to the diagram, we can clearly observe that the value of Pn will be equal to Pm plus Mn. So that implies the value of Pm is y dash plus of the value of Mn, which is k. So the coordinate of x will be equal to h plus x dash, whereas the coordinate of y will be equal to y dash plus k in the new axis. So from this both, we can also find the coordinates in the original axis by x dash is equal to x minus h, whereas y dash will be equal to y minus k. So using this formula, we can find the coordinates of the point in new axis. So make a note that if the origin is shifted to h, k by the translation of axis, then the coordinate of point P, x, y are transformed as P, x minus h, y minus k. And the equation f of x, y is equal to 0 of the curve is transformed as f equal to x dash plus h, y dash plus k is equal to 0. And now let us proceed and discuss one more example. So here we need to find the coordinates of point P in the original axis, which is x, y. So the formula for this is x equal to x dash plus h, whereas the value of y will be equal to y dash plus k. So by substituting the values, we get x equal to the value of x dash, which is minus 4, plus of the value of h, which is 2. So that is equal to, we get minus 4 plus 2, which is minus 2. So this is the value of x. Similarly, the value of y dash, which is 3, plus of the value of k, which is again 3. So by adding, we get 6, which is the value of y. So therefore the coordinates of x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 6. So therefore we can say that the coordinate in the old system, which are represented by x comma y, is equal to minus 2 comma 6. So this was the basic introduction regarding translation of axes. Hope you understood the concept. In our next upcoming videos, we are going to deal with few more examples for better understanding. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.